A young boy feels tired of the city. Not just tired, but exhausted. The noise, the rush, the endless movement. Every day feels the same. So one morning, he makes a quiet decision. He leaves the city behind and walks toward the jungle. No phone, no plans, just footsteps on the earth. The jungle welcomes him with silence. Not an empty silence, but a living one. Wind moves through the trees. Leaves whisper softly. Birds call from far away. With every step, his breathing slows. His thoughts grow lighter. Hours pass. Then, he sees it. A massive ancient tree, standing alone in the forest. Its trunk is thick and weathered. Its roots spread across the ground, like they've been holding the earth together for centuries. The tree feels old, older than memory. The boy steps closer. There's something different here. The air feels calm, heavy, but comforting. He places his hand on the bark, and for the first time in a long while, his mind goes quiet. The next morning, he returns to the tree with simple tools. He begins to dig beneath it. The ground is hard. The work is slow. Dirt fills his hands. Sweat fills the air, but he keeps going. Days pass, then weeks. The hole grows deeper. An underground space begins to form. Dark at first, rough and unfinished, but full of potential. The boy works patiently, stone by stone, wood by wood. He shapes the walls, strengthens the ceiling. Light slowly replaces darkness. Warm wooden panels appear. Soft lights glow gently. A room is born beneath the tree. Hidden, protected. A comfortable sofa, a simple bed, shelves, a small table. In one corner, a compact kitchen. Nothing extra, nothing wasted. Above him, the ancient tree. Around him, the wild jungle. Inside, peace. The final day arrives. The work is done. The boy stands still, looking around the room. His hands are rough. His body is tired, but his heart feels full. As evening falls, he prepares one last thing. Tea. Water heats slowly. Steam rises quietly. The aroma fills the room, warm and familiar. He sits down beneath the ancient tree, holds the cup with both hands, takes a slow sip. The jungle is silent. The tree stands strong. Time feels distant. In that moment, the boy understands something simple. Luxury is not money. Luxury is not noise. Luxury is not speed. True luxury is silence, is patience, is peace. Beneath an ancient tree, with a cup of tea in his hands, he is finally home.